Hi everybody, what are you up to today? I'm not doing a live stream for this video, but I am in a live stream. That's because the theme of this video is water, so we're going to go with the flow and make some waves with some fantastic science experiments. My jokes are lost and you lot, roll the titles. Hi everybody! So, today we are going to be talking about water. Water really is amazing. 70% of our globe is covered in water. But let's find out a little bit more about it.
Water really is amazing, and we use it for so many different things. For drinking, for cooking, and for cleaning ourselves and our clothes, for example. Scientists say that everything in the universe is made up of materials called elements. They display all these elements in a big chart called the periodic table. Each little bit or molecule of water is made up of two pieces or atoms of the element hydrogen and one atom of the element oxygen. That is why we call water H2O. Camels can drink between 150 and 200 litres of water in one go. That's how much water a normal person uses to drink, cook and clean in a whole day.
For our first experiment, we're going to investigate what happens when you mix oil and water together. And you're going to need 3 ingredients: oil, water and food colouring, because we are going to make some colourful rain. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your oil and add lots of different colours of food colouring. Once you've done that, you need to mix it up. You're going to need some cold water from the tap. Very carefully pour the oil on top of the water. Notice how the oil sits on top of the water. And watch very closely what happens to the food colouring. It starts to drift down into the water and make a crazy colourful rain.
So, why do the oil and water not mix together? The molecules of oil are hydrophobic. This means they're scared of the water and don't mix with it, so they stick together on top of the water instead. It's like how you try to get away from something scary, like when I see a creepy crawly. It takes 50 bottles of water to make 1 carton of orange juice.
Have a go at that colourful rainfall experiment at home. It's a bit weird that oil and water don't mix together, but we can use this in the lab to make something really cool. We are going to make a lava lamp, and you can have a go at this one at home. All you need is some water, some oil, some food colouring to make your lava lamp look really cool, and 2 dissolving paracetamol tablets that someone at home might use if they've got a sore head. Take your water and add some food colouring. I think I'm going to make mine blue. Then you're going to take your oil and carefully pour it on top of the water. Just like I explained, the oil is hydrophobic. It's scared of the water and they don't mix together. Now, you're going to add your paracetamol tablets. Break them up into little pieces and watch what happens. The paracetamol tablets start to dissolve in the water and they give out a gas which bubbles up through the water and into the oil. Some of the water is taken up into the oil, and when it gets there, it doesn't like the oil and it falls back down again. This is what makes the oil in the water look a bit like a lava lamp. Can you see the bubbles of coloured water rising through the oil?
The world's longest river is the Nile. It's 6,650 kilometres long. That's the same as 55,417 football pitches.
Now it's time for my science showstopper, and you know what that means. Okay everybody, for my showstopper experiment today, I've brought my lab outside. You might have noticed that I've taken my gloves off, but you'll find out why in just a second. For my showstopper experiment today, I'm going to be using fire, so this is definitely one that you cannot try at home. You might be thinking, using fire in an episode about water, but everything will become clear in just a few minutes. I've got myself a large basin of water, and I'm going to add some washing up liquid to it to make it really bubbly. Now, I'm going to add something else to the water. This is hairspray. Hairspray is really, really flammable. That means it goes on fire really, really easily. And I'm going to add it to the bubbles. Using the bubbles created from the gas in the can of hairspray, I'm going to set fire to my hand. But it won't hurt me, I promise. Watch closely. 3, 2, 1. I'll do it again. I'm going to take the bubbles, and in 3, 2, 1. Now, I promise that didn't hurt me, but even though it didn't, you cannot have a go at that at home. But the reason it didn't hurt me is because when I lift the bubbles created by the gas from inside the can of hairspray, my hand is covered in water from the basin, and water is an excellent conductor of heat. This means it's really, really good at holding heat inside it. The water steals all the heat from the fire from my hand, which stops it getting burnt.
Before we finish off, let's talk a little bit about the water cycle. Water starts off in oceans and rivers. The sun heats the water and it turns into a gas called water vapour. It rises into the air. This is called evaporation. The water cools and turns back into a liquid. It forms clouds. This is called condensation. When the clouds get heavy, rain falls. This is called precipitation. The rainwater collects in rivers and lakes and it flows back to the sea. Then the whole process starts again.
I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. Join me again next time for some more fun experiments that you can try at home and some amazing science showstoppers. In the meantime, I'll post some ideas to keep you busy throughout the week. Bye!